You're running a business, whether it's a bustling e-commerce store, a freelance gig, or a brick-and-mortar shop. Every day, you face countless decisions. But there's one that might seem small, yet has a massive impact on your bottom line and your customers' experience. How do you get paid? It's a question that often boils down to a head-to-head battle between two giants in the digital payment world, Venmo and PayPal. Both are household names, both facilitate online transactions, and both are, in fact, owned by the same parent company, PayPal Holdings. So, if they're family, why do they feel so different? And more importantly, which one is the undisputed champion when it comes to handling your hard-earned business income? For years, PayPal has been the go-to for online businesses, synonymous with secure transactions and global reach. It's the granddaddy of digital payments, a trusted platform that's seen countless transactions pass through its virtual corridors. But then came Venmo, the cool younger sibling, revolutionizing peer-to-peer payments with its social feed and mobile-first approach. It made splitting dinner bills and paying back friends effortlessly easy, almost a casual social interaction. But what happens when Venmo steps out of the casual friend-to-friend payment arena and into the serious world of business income? Can it truly compete with PayPal's established infrastructure and comprehensive suite of tools? Or is it merely a convenient option for very specific, small-scale business needs? That's precisely what we're going to break down today. We're diving deep into Venmo versus PayPal for business income. We'll explore their features, dissect their fees, scrutinize their security, and uncover which platform truly offers the best value and functionality for your entrepreneurial endeavors. By the end of this, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which platform is the right financial partner for your business, helping you maximize your profits and streamline your operations. So, let's get into it. Venmo for Business, the social payment powerhouse? Let's start with Venmo. Historically, Venmo has been the king of casual, peer-to-peer transactions. Think splitting rent with roommates, paying back a friend for coffee, or chipping in for a group gift. Its social feed, where you can see and comment on transactions, or choose to make them private, is a defining feature that gives it a distinct, almost playful, vibe. But Venmo has been aggressively expanding its capabilities for businesses, recognizing that many small businesses and freelancers were already using personal Venmo accounts to collect payments. They introduced business profiles to cater specifically to this growing segment. So, what does a Venmo business profile offer? Ease of use for customers, this is perhaps Venmo's biggest draw. For your customers who already use Venmo for personal payments, paying your business is incredibly simple and familiar. They can send money with a few taps, either by scanning a QR code, searching for your business profile, or through a direct request you send. This frictionless experience can be a huge advantage, especially for businesses catering to a younger, mobile-savvy demographic. Mobile-first approach, Venmo is built for mobile. Its intuitive app interface makes it easy for both you and your customers to manage payments on the go. You can generate QR codes to display at your physical location, send payment requests, and track transactions all from your smartphone. Social visibility, optional. While you can set transactions to private, the social aspect can actually be a marketing tool. When customers pay you via Venmo, their network might see the transaction, depending on their privacy settings, potentially exposing your business to new eyes. It's a form of organic word-of-mouth marketing built right into the payment process. Basic business features, Venmo business profiles provide some essential tools, including a public-facing profile where you can list your business details, and clearer transaction records for easier reconciliation. You can also integrate Venmo as an online checkout option on your website, powered by PayPal's infrastructure. Fees, this is where it gets serious. For business payments, Venmo charges a seller transaction fee of 1.9% plus 10 cents per transaction. This applies to payments received on your business profile. If you need instant transfers of your funds to your bank, there's an additional fee of 1.75%, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $15. Standard bank transfers, which take 1 to 3 business days, are free. Limitations: Venmo is primarily designed for the U.S. market. It does not support international payments or multiple currencies. This is a significant drawback for any business with a global customer base. Transaction limits are also lower than PayPal's, with verified accounts typically having a $6,999.99 limit per 7-day rolling period, and single transactions up to $10,000. For unverified accounts, limits are much lower. In essence, Venmo for Business shines for small-scale, domestic businesses with a strong mobile presence and a customer base that's already comfortable with the app. Think local artisans, food trucks, independent contractors, or online sellers who primarily serve U.S. customers. PayPal for Business, the established enterprise solution. Now, let's turn our attention to PayPal. PayPal has been a cornerstone of online commerce for decades. It's the veteran in the room, offering a robust and comprehensive suite of tools designed to handle a wide array of business needs, from small startups to large enterprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.